Today, we'll be getting comfortable with WordPress and learn how to make changes to our theme. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to our website. The example website we'll be using today is codecamp.theredsunflower.com. Your website domain will be different. Navigate to your website and follow along. You can see once we make it to our website that we have the default WordPress 2020 theme activated. This shows us a couple of our recent posts, as well as a menu and a search bar. In order to start making changes to our website, we'll need to navigate to the WordPress dashboard. To do that, add /wp-admin to the end of your domain and enter your login credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hide some of these extra panels to keep us from getting distracted. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to the Users panel. From the User panel, you can make changes to the style of your WordPress dashboard. You can change your password, your email address, and several other options. If you're at Codecamp by Red Sunflower, you're going to want to change your password at this point. To change your password, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Users panel and click Generate Password. From there, you can use the auto-generated password or you can create your own. What's important is that you pick something that you can remember. Once you've entered your password, you're going to hit the blue Update Profile button. Once you've updated your profile, we're going to head to the Appearance tab. Select Appearance and then select Themes. From the Themes panel, you can see the themes that we already have installed. Now, we want to add a new theme, a custom theme, the Codecamp starter theme. To do that, we need to download that code. We can get that code from GitHub. GitHub is a great resource for self-taught developers. It has tons of free code that you can use, edit, and share with no restrictions. We're going to go to github.com/theredsunflower and click on Codecamp. Now, this screen can be a little bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with GitHub, but we want to scroll to the bottom to the Readme section. The Readme has additional instructions for how to use and download this theme. You can see we have a couple of links for additional instructions. These links are really helpful because they take you to theredsunflower.com. Theredsunflower.com has a lot of resources for self-taught developers, including tutorials. Once we make it to theredsunflower.com, you can find additional instructions on how to use this theme and WordPress. If you get stuck or you have questions about how to make changes to your website, the best thing to do is to leave a comment on a blog post. If you leave a comment on a blog post, not only can you get your question answered, you can also help other developers who might have the same question. As a self-taught developer, blogs and forums are a great resource because they help you find solutions to your problems by seeing issues that other people have had and the ways that they have solved them. Try leaving a comment on theredsunflower.com the next time you get stuck. For more resources, check out theredsunflower.com/code-camp. There you can find more information about Codecamp by Red Sunflower, tutorials, digital resources, and more. Now we're going to go back to GitHub. The first thing we need to do is download the zip file of this theme. To do that, we're going to scroll back up and click on the green clone or download button. And then we're going to select the download zip option. This should download to your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, we're going to head back to the WordPress dashboard. Select Add New. Select Upload Theme. Click Browse. Find your theme, find the zip file we just downloaded, and then hit Install Now. Then WordPress will work to download and install your theme. Once the installation is complete, hit Activate. And this will change the visual look of our website to match the CodeCamp starter theme. When it's complete, you'll see the CodeCamp graphic in your themes panel. Let's take a look at what our site looks like now. So here we can see we've got some filler text, we've got some brightly colored sections, and some fun GIFs. This will help us get ourselves oriented within the code so we can start making changes. Next, we're going to download our first plugin. Plugins are great because they help you extend the functionality of your website. In this case, it's going to help us see and edit the code in our starter theme. So we're going to go back to the WordPress dashboard by adding /wp-admin to our domain name. Then we're going to go to Plugins, Add New, and click on the search bar. Search for the Theme Editor plugin. Once you find the Theme Editor plugin, you're going to install and activate it. Once the plugin has been activated, you'll see that it has been added to the left dark gray bar. Click on it and go to Theme Editor. Once you're there, you'll see some of the code of the website. We're going to want to check a couple of things. We're going to want to make sure that we're editing the CodeCamp theme. You can see that on the top right-hand corner. Next, we'll want to check that we're editing the correct file. You can see the file name here at the top of the screen. Right now, we're editing the style.css file. We want to be editing the index.php file right now. So on the right-hand side, select the index.php file. And then you can see at the top, the file name changes to index.php. So here is some of our basic HTML code of the website. Just so we can start to see how to make changes with this theme editor, we're going to go ahead and select out some of this code. I'm just going to copy this code or select this code and cut it. Then I'm going to hit Update File. Now let's see what happens to the website. I'm going to open up the website in a new tab, and wow, our website looks really different. The whole body of the website has been removed. We only have the header and footer. Now this makes sense because if we go back and look at the code, it says header and footer, and that's all we have. If we add back the code that we just deleted out, we can see that the website returns back to normal. Let's check back to the page and refresh it. And we can see that the body of the website comes back to how we would expect. Congratulations, you just made your first changes to your WordPress theme. We're coding already. In the next video, we'll be able to learn how to make even more changes to your theme.